Hello, my name is Juan Pablo Tenjaca Huertas. I am from the Group 2 of English Phonetics, and today I'm going to pronounce this text that you are able to see on your screen. And I am going to pronounce this text based on what I have learned about the consonant sounds in this semester. Okay, I'm going to start. Two women are at a bar in New York. They are friends. One slaps the other on her behind. The other woman does not know this. She does not know that her friend slaps her. She does not see it. She thinks it's the bouncer. She gets angry. She goes up to him. She starts to choke him from behind. The bouncer falls to the ground. Police arrest the woman, but later they let her go. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.